Craving authentic flavor that brings dishes to life? Introducing our best-selling curry powder. Trusted by chefs, loved by foodies, used and approved by top restaurants and culinary professionals. 100% Halal-Certified. Halal Prime Certified. Quality and trust in every pack. Perfect for any kitchen, from local food stalls to gourmet kitchens. Used for curry chicken with vegetables. How to make curry chicken with vegetables. Sauté garlic and onion in oil until golden. Add chicken pieces and cook until lightly browned. Sprinkle curry powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and stir well. Add chopped vegetables, like potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers. Pour in water or coconut milk to cover ingredients. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until chicken is cooked and veggies are tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve with hot rice and enjoy rich, flavorful curry. Curry rice. How to mix curry powder into curry rice. Sauté garlic and onion in oil. Add curry powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup of rice, and cook for 30 seconds to release the aroma. Add cooked rice and mix well until evenly coated. Season with salt or soy sauce if needed. Optional. Add veggies or protein for extra flavor. Done. Flavorful curry rice in minutes. Curry soup. How to make curry soup: sauté garlic, onion, and ginger in a bit of oil. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons curry powder and stir for 30 seconds to release aroma. Pour in broth, chicken or vegetable stock. Add coconut milk for a creamy texture. Optional. Add your choice of veggies or protein, like tofu, chicken, or shrimp. Simmer until everything is cooked and flavorful. Season with salt and pepper. Serve hot, perfect with rice or bread. Curry tofu with vegetables. How to make curry tofu with vegetables. Sauté garlic and onion in oil until fragrant. Add curry powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons, and stir for 30 seconds. Add tofu cubes, fried or fresh, and mixed vegetables, like bell pepper, carrots, broccoli. Pour in coconut milk or vegetable broth to create the sauce. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until veggies are tender and flavors blend. Season with salt and pepper. Serve hot with steamed rice. Healthy, halal, and full of flavor. To unlock the full flavor of curry powder, toast it briefly in oil before adding liquids. Order now at Food Hub Supplies, where chefs get their edge. Flavor, trust, excellence. Only from Food Hub Supplies.